ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन् ऋलक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् न्यामाङ्गाण्डाण्डम् झफै घटदश् शबगडदश् खफचठथ चठतौ कपै शशसर् हल् अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः यशानां तालु ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः ऊपु उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामाङ्गाण्डानां नासिका च एदैतो गो कंठतालु
एदैतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौतो गो कंठ ओष्टम
ओदौतो कण्ठ ओष्टम
वकारस्य दंत ओष्टम
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम
जिह्वा मूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमनिः विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामानास्ति परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
ओ राम मामुद्धर
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवति भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवत
भवसि भवतः
भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि भवावः भवामः
पठति पठतः पठन्ति पठसि पठतः पठत पठामि पठावः पठामः करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः अस्ति स्तः सन्ति रामः रामौ रामाः रामः अस्ति रामौ स्तः रामाः सन्ति हरिः हरि हरयः गुरुः गुरु गुरवः पिता पितरौ पितरः कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः एषः एतौ एते अयम् इमौ इमे सह तौ ते कः कौ के रमा रमे रमाः रमा अस्ति रमेस्तः रमाः सन्ति नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
नदी
नद्यो नद्यः
मतिः मती मतयः
मतिः मतयः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
वधवो वधवः
माता मातरौ मातरः
माता
मातरौ
मातरः
एषा एते एताः
एषा एते
इयम् इमे इमाः
इमे इमाः
सा ते ताः का के काः
काकेकाः
फलं फले फलानि
फलं फले फलानि
फलमस्ति फले स्तः फलानि सन्ति
फलम् अस्ति
फलानि सन्ति
एतत् एते एतानि
एतत्
एते
एतानि
इदम् इमे इमानि
इदम्
इमे
इमानि
तत्तेतानि
तत्तेतानि
किं केकानि
किं केकानि
त्वं युवां यूयम्
त्वं यूयम्
अहम् आवां वयम्
अहम् आवां वयम्
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
अस्ति स्तः स्थ
अस्ति स्तः
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
त्वम् असि युवां स्तः यूयं स्थ
त्वम्
असि युवां स्तः यूयं स्तः
अहमस्मि आवां स्वः वयं स्मः
अहम् अस्मि आवां स्वः वयं स्मः.
You all understand what we chant?
Yes,
Guruji.
You have seen. That is Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha. Tvam yuvam yujam. You two, you all. Aham avam vayam. I too, and we all. We can connect with this any Kriya Padam. Suppose if it is Patati, let us do. Ramaha Patati, Ramau Patataha, Ramaha Patanti.
रामः पठति रामौ
पठतः
रामाः पठन्ति
Tvam Patasi, Yuvam Patataha, Yuyam Patata.
त्वं पठसि युवां पठतः
यूयं पठत.
You can take this verb as example. Agam patami, avam patavaha, vayam patamaha.
अहं पठामि
आवां
पठावः वयं पठामः.
Yes. Oh, we will do this exercise. If you remember this exercise, I gave this as homework long back.
Yes.
We didn't do. After that, we went to the Rashtriya Samskrita Samsthan exercises. Simple vakyas. No Kriya Padam. Kriya Padams, not special Kriya Padam. This Asti Staha Santi. That's only those simple verbs are there. You need to have a vocabulary. Simple vocabulary. If not known, if it is difficult, I will tell you. Now let us do it. Each one of you can do five sentences. Already would have done this as homework. So please take that and let us do this. Deepika ji, yes, please start.
yes, Guruji. These are two horses. Imau aswau staha.
Imau ashvau staha.
These two are female
This is the
students.
answer here. Answers are there. It is all in the hidden. Okay. Imau
Yes.
ashvau or etau ashvau. Staha, of course, Kriya Padam is there. Okay.
Okay. These two are female students.
Hmm.
Ime chhatre staha.
Yes. Ime chhatre staha.
Those are monkeys. E kapayaha santi.
Yes.
This
Okay.
is
Yeah, continue. I'm just showing
this is a book.
Hmm.
Eshaha pustakaha
Pustakam is
asti.
Napumsakalinga.
Pustak. Sorry. Eshaha pustakam.
Eshaha is Pullinga.
Ayam pustaka.
Ayam is also Pullinga.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yes. Idam.
Idam pustakam, etat pustakam.
Yes.
Etat pustakam asti.
Asti.
Or Strilinga word is there for pustaka, pustika, you can say. Esha pustika asti.
Yeah.
Or grantaha also you can say. Grantaha also means.
Then pulling it will be.
Eshaha grantaha. So in all the linga it is possible. Etat pustakam, esha pustika, eshaha grantaha.
Okay.
Next one.
Those are glasses. They
Simple
glasses are chashaka? No.
It's given the bracket, you can see.
Yeah, chashaka. Te chashakaha.
Chashakaha santi.
Yeah, te chashakaha santi.
Next
Shall I
person.
continue?
Next person, Anupamaji.
That is a telephone. Sa duravani.
Sa duravani asti.
Asti. Okay. These
If
are
it is a mobile phone, Jangama duravani.
Jangama
duravani. If it is mobile.
So what is Jangama?
Movement. Mobile.
Mobile. All right.
Yes.
These are teachers. Ete atyapike staha.
Ete adhyapike. These are teachers. What vachanam is that?
Dvivajanam.
Not given, right? These are not two teachers.
Yeah, correct. Okay, sorry. Etaha atyapikaha santi.
Okay, you can say Napum in Srilinga, Pullinga.
Ete atyapakaha santi.
Yes. You can see ete or ime.
Okay.
The words for teachers, shikshakaha, adhyapakaha, acharyaha. Many words are there. Okay.
Okay.
Continue.
They are beggars. They are yachika or
Yachaka.
yachaka.
Yachika is female. Yachaka is male. Just do default male. Masculine.
Okay. Te yachakaha santi.
Te yachakaha atava bhikshukaha. Then continue.
This is universe, prapancha. Etat prapancha.
Eshaha
prapanchaha.
Prapancha is what linga? Pullinga.
Pullinga. Eshaha prapanchaha.
Yes.
Asti. Okay. Those are stars. Etani nakshatrani santi.
Those. Tani.
Those. Taha nakshatrani santi.
Tani. Napumsakalinga.
Tani nakshatrani santi.
Next one. Next person. Akanksha ji.
Ji Guruji. She is an actor. Sa Nati Staha. This
Sa Nati or
Nati-
Abhinetri, whatever maybe. Abhinetri also actor. Okay.
This is tongue. Esha
Hmm.
Jihva
Jikwa.
Staha.
Jikwa, two are there.
Oh,
Asti.
sorry, it's Asti. Asti.
One itself is a
They-
problem. If you have two, right?
Yes. Yes.
One tongue itself, we have to say what we think. That alignment itself is a big problem. If you have two, yeah, please continue.
They are vessels. Tani Patrani
Yes.
Santi.
Yes. In all this translation, I have not given the Kriya Padam. Kriya Padam, you know, you can supply. Yes.
This is an aeroplane. Idam Vimanam Asti.
Yes.
Those are buses. Tani Basayanani Santi.
Yes.
Should I continue, Guruji?
Next person will do. Ani Vasayani. Next person is Subbalakshmi ji.
That is a temple. Etat Devalayah.
That is a temple. You know very well what is the word for that. What is it? What is the meaning of etat? Not this is a temple. See the word. See that the
Saha Devalayah.
Saha Devalaya. Right? Or Mandiram, Tatu Mandiram. Anything is okay.
This is Himalayas.
Hmm.
Esha Himalayah.
Himalaya is Pullinga. Esha is Trilinga. There is a mismatch. Syntactically wrong.
Eshaha Himalayah.
Asti.
Okay. Eshaha Himalayah Asti.
Then
He is a doctor. Sa Vaidya.
Asti.
Sa Vaidya Asti. They are soldiers. Ete Sainikaha Santi.
Say again. Say again. What did you say?
Ete Sainikaha Santi.
They are soldiers. Ete or te. These are soldiers. Ete. They are soldiers. Te.
Te Sainikaha Santi.
Yes.
This is a mango tree. Tat Etat Ambra Vrikshaha.
You are doing same mistake. Amra Vrikshaha is Pullinga. Etat is Napumsakalinga. Mismatch.
I am Amra Vrikshaha. Not.
Yes, it's okay. I may also you can
I
say.
am Amra Vrikshaha.
I am Amra Vrikshaha or Eshaha Amra Vrikshaha.
Okay.
Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. These are singers. Etau Gayakau Saha.
Yes.
These two are robbers. Etau Chorau Saha. He is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Saha
Paramahamsa. Oh.
Okay. He is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Saha Ramakrishna Paramahamsaha Asti.
Yes.
He is the disciple. Saha Sishyaha Asti. Vivekananda is the disciple. Vivekanandaha Sishyaha Asti.
Yes. Next person.
Thank you.
Vivekananda Shishyaha Asti. Vivekananda Shishyaha. This is subjective complement. Vivekananda is the disciple. Vivekananda 1-1. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Shishyaha also 1-1. It's all like same what we did before. Saha Shishyaha, Saha Ramakrishnaha, the same way. Both are in same Vibhakti, same Vachanam. It's called in English subjective complement. Okay, Yajnapriyaji.
Yes. He is the Guru. Saha Guru Asti.
Saha, repeat again.
Saha
Hmm.
Guru
Saha,
Guru Asti.
what is Guru?
Guruhu asti.
She will answer,
Ah.
okay? Please listen.
Guru
He has to find out the mistake. Saha,
Guruhu Asti.
Guruhu Asti, not Guru Asti.
Yes.
You know the Shabda very well. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. You cannot use the Shabda
Guru.
as such.
Yes.
Yes,
Ramakrishnaha Guruhu Asti.
yes.
Swami Dayananda is the Guru. Swami Dayanandaha Guruhu Asti.
Yes.
He is a sage. Saha sage என்ன சொல்றது?
Sage, you know, many
Shananam.
words are there. Munihi, Rishihi.
Saha Munihi Asti. This is
Yatihi. How do you decline Muni? Like what Shabda?
Muni Ikarantaha.
Ikaranta, not Ikaranta.
Ikarantaha.
Like what Shabda?
Muni Shabdaha.
Huh?
Muni.
No, I'm asking that Muni Shabda, like what Shabda? Among the Shabdas list what we have seen. Just now we chanted, no? We have some
Muni.
master Shabda, Rama Shabda, Guru Shabda, etc. Like that Muni Shabda, like what Shabda? Hari Shabda. Okay, anyway.
All right. Hari.
Hari Shabda is Muni Shabda, like only we know.
Oh.
We chanted just now, right? Ramaha, Ramaha, Ramaha. Harihi, Hari, Hareha.
Yeah.
Hari, we take it as a master Shabda for all the Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Muni
Yes.
being an Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda, decline like Hari Shabda. If Hari is Hari, Hari, Hareha, Muni will be Munihi, Muni, Munayaha. Okay, yes.
This is
Master Shabda we have for comparison and understanding. Okay,
yes.
yes.
This is Shastram.
Hmm.
This is Iyam இல்ல ஐயம் சொல்லலாம் ஜி.
Shastram what lingam?
புல்லிங்கா.
Really?
ஜி நபும்சகலிங்கம்.
Shastram is Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalingam. Tat Shastram Asti.
Tat means?
That ji. Oh, this is Shastram. Etad Shastram Asti.
That's what. Etat Shastram. Maridam Shastram.
Yes.
The verb, the word, the meaning, and the gender, important. Yadu, Shastram is Napumsakalinga. Okay.
Can you repeat that, please? Etat Shastra Asti.
Asti. And another word for this is idam.
All right, thank you.
There's a difference between etad and idam. What's the difference, anybody?
Close and very close.
Which is very close, which is close?
Idam is
Etat
close.
Etat is close.
Etad is?
Etat is very close.
No, opposite way you're saying.
Yes, etat is
Etad
close.
is near.
Idam is close, etad is very close.
Etad.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Deepika ji.
Yes.
For our
Guru.
translation purpose, you can use etat or idam, no problem. In all the linga, you can use etat shabda or idam shabda. Your choice.
Yes.
It is not given here, so you can use anything. Yes, Deepika ji.
That is a weapon.
Hmm.
Tat Shastram asti.
Yes. Tat astram. Shastram. Okay.
Shastram. Astram. Yeah.
Astram or shastram, it both are weapon. Okay.
Oh,
Astram is that which can be thrown. It's called astram.
oh.
Shastram is that which you hold in your hand and fight, like sword, etc.
Oh, okay.
Missiles are called astram.
Right.
All the Agni missiles, astram. That which you fight with your in your hand. All these revolvers, they're all shastram
Right.
or the sword.
Okay. They are well.
Or another word also is ayudam. Tat
Ayudam.
ayudam.
Yeah.
Okay.
They are well. Tani, dhanani,
Yes.
santi.
Yes.
Ete
The word for wealth is dhanam or artha also you can say. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. We say right. Purusharthaha. Artha is
Nidhi also. Nidhi also you can say.
sorry.
Nidhi.
Nidhi is treasure.
Oh, okay.
Nidhi is, you can say nothing wrong. You can say Nidhi is what linga?
Srilinga.
No, it's pullinga only.
Nidhi is Purlinga.
Ete nidayaha nidhihi. How do you decline? Like what shabda?
Nidhi is like, yeah, Hari only, no?
Hari. So
Yeah.
nidhihi, nidhi, nidayaha.
Okay.
Okay, continue please.
This is this is hand. Eshaha hastaha asti.
Yes.
He is wicked. Saha tat
No. Is only. Saha is
dushtam.
correct. Why is?
Tat dushtam
Not that.
asti.
Saha only.
Saha durjanaha asti.
Durjana. Simple. Saha durjanaha or dushtaha asti.
Dushtaha.
Or durjanaha. Both are okay.
Okay. Saha he is intelligent. Saha chaturaha asti.
Yes. Chaturaha or Vignaha. Visheshena janati. Vignaha means intelligent.
Buddhimanaha you can write.
Buddhiman, not Buddhimanaha. Saha Buddhiman, you have to say.
Buddhiman. Okay.
The declension is different. That Shabda and all we have not learned. It is a long way to go. Those Buddhiman also you can say.
Okay. Thank you.
Buddhiman or Matiman. You can say like that. Yes.
Okay.
Jnanavan.
Yeah.
Knowledgeable person.
Right.
Next person, Anupamaji.
Those two are carpenters.
What
Tau
is the word for carpenter?
takshakaha.
Yes.
Tau takshakau staha.
Good.
This is a boat. Boat is nava or
Nauka.
nauka. Okay, nauka. This is a boat. Nauka. Saha naukaha.
Nauka. So what will be?
Okay, Strilinga.
Therefore?
Sa or Esha nauka.
Yes.
Asti.
Esha nauka. Many words are given here. You can see. Nauka, Tari, Nauhu. All these are different words. Plavaha. Plavaha is Pullinga. That's why given Eshaha Plavaha. Nauhu, Nauka, Tari. All these are Strilinga. Therefore, Esha. Or Em. Em also you can say Em or Esha.
Okay.
Tari is like what Shabda?
Nadi Shabda.
Nadi Shabda. Tari, how do you decline?
Tari, Taryau, Taryaha.
Yes. Nauka is?
Nauka is Rama Shabda.
How do you decline?
Nauka, Nauke, Naukaha.
What about now? Now you don't know. Leave it. That we have to see later. Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
She is
Sir, I
Sita.
have a question. Sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
So this for Striling is Esha, Iyam, and Esha, all three?
No. If all three is there, why should I write it separately? Eshaha is Pullinga
Oh,
because Plavaha is Pullinga. So the
Ravak-
word
oh.
for the word for this has to be Pullinga if you're using the word Plava for boat. Plava being Pullinga.
Okay.
Therefore, the pronoun also has to be Pullinga. Therefore, Eshaha Plavaha.
Esha, Prabha.
Whereas
Okay.
Tari, Nauka, Nauhu, all these are Srilinga Shabda.
So you
meaning-
could use Esha and Iyam both.
For yes,
Okay.
Esha Tari, Esha Nauka, Esha Nauhu. Or Iyam Tari, Iyam Nauka, Iyam Nauhu. That
Okay,
is how you
and-
have to connect. This is Esha, Iyam means this.
Yes.
Anything you can use.
And,
And-
is Asti, what is R? A-R-E-R. Staha.
If there are Sanskritam, we have Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. If it is more than one, it can be Dviv. If it is more than one is called, in English, more than one is called plural. In Sanskritam, if it is, you have to say more than one means how many. If it is two or more than two. If it is two, then Dvivachanam. More than two, Bhagavachanam. For both, in English, we use R. In Sanskritam, we have different Kriya Padams. Staha, Santi. Asti, Staha, Santi. That is what we chanted.
Yeah.
Ramaha Asti. Ramostaha. Two Ramas are there. Two teachers are there. Two Acharyas are there. So Acharyau Staha. Two Acharyas are there. That's what here you can see the sentence. Those two are carpenters.
Hmm.
So Tau
Takshako
Takshakau.
Staha.
Taha. It will be.
And the same thing just for many, plural, would be
Plural will be Santi.
something. Okay.
That also we saw before.
Yeah.
It's
Thank you.
going to come. We will see later also. Yeah, please continue.
She is Sita. Esha Sita or Sa Sita.
Yes, your choice. Sasita. Then next
He-
one.
He is Rama. Saha Ramaha. Eshaha Ramaha.
Saha Ramaha Asti. Next
Asti.
one.
Ravana is wicked. Ravanaha Dushtaha Asti.
Yes. Ravanaha Dushtaha. Next person, Akankshaji.
Ji Guruji. Rama is Vishnu. Ramaha Vishnuhu Asti.
Yes.
Sita is Mahalakshmi. Sita Mahalakshmi Asti.
Sita Mahalakshmi Asti.
They are
Here,
parents.
Mahalakshmi. The word has to be Mahalakshmi. Okay, it has to be with Visarga. Anyway, it's okay. I'll tell you later. The word Lakshmi, how do you decline?
Nadi Shabda. Lakshmi
No.
Lakshmi.
Yeah, please chant.
Lakshmi Lakshmyau Lakshmyaha.
Lakshmyaha. So, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is
Lakshmi.
for this Lakshmi Shabda, it should be Lakshmi. It is an exception. For Lakshmi Shabda, it is an exception. It has to be Lakshmi. So, it is slightly different from Nadi. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha. Whereas Lakshmi, Lakshmyau, Lakshmyaha. Only Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Visarga to be added. Okay.
Yes, Guru.
Mahadevyai cha vidmahe Vishnupatni cha dhimahi tanno Lakshmihi Lakshmi prachodayat. So Lakshmihi in the mantra itself, Lakshmi Gayatri, you will see the word Lakshmihi will be there. Okay. So that is exception, please note. So therefore here just be Mahalakshmihi can say Visarga to be added. It's a mistake. I will add later. Yeah, please continue.
They are parents. Parents.
What is the word for parent?
Mata Pitaro.
Pitaro itself is sufficient.
Achha.
Pitaro itself,
Hmm.
what is the word meaning of the word Pitaro? What is the, okay, let us see from the beginning. What is the Pratipadikam of Pitaro?
Pita.
Not Pita.
Pitara. Pitara.
What is the
Pitru.
Pratipadikam?
Pitra Shabd.
Pitru
Pitra.
Shabda. Huh.
It is Pitra,
Pitru Shabda. Yeah.
right? We saw Pita, Pitaro,
Pitaro. Pitara.
Pitara.
Pitaraha. Pita is what Vachanam?
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
And Pitaro,
Dvivachanam.
Vajanam.
Pitaraha.
Bahuvachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Pitaro means what?
Two.
Two pit.
Two.
Two fathers.
Two fathers.
Pitaraha is,
Many fathers.
so Eshaha Pita. This is a father,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So Etau Pitaro, two fathers are there. Because there's a assembly, many parents have come, one father, two fathers, many fathers are there. Ete Pitaraha. Now, here Pitara is two fathers. Now, this Pitaro, the word, can also be used in the sense of parent, that is inclusive of mother and father. Mata Pitaro. If you see the shloka, what we saw now, you remember the, anyone of you, do you remember the
Yeah,
shloka?
Parvati Parameshwara.
The full shloka, you chant that?
Sampraktau Vagata Jagatah Pitarau Vande
Vande
Jagat of
Parvati
Pitaro.
Parameshwara.
What is mean Jagat of Pitaro?
Ulagathil irukra
Jagat of Pitaro. What is Pitaro? Two fathers are there for the Jagat.
no
Mata,
Father,
Pita.
mother.
Mata Pitaru
Parvati Parameshwaro. Parvati mother, Parameshwara father.
Other.
They are called Pitaro. They are the parents of this Jagat, this Prapancha. Agam Bande, I salute. Jagataha Pitaro, Kau, Parvati Parameshwaro. Right?
Yes.
Tau Aham Bande, I salute them. Aham Namami, Tau Namami. So Pitaro, the word itself, here it is there in the shloka, which we chant every class, that Tau means parents. So now coming back to the translation, you can see now. They are parents. Therefore, it is
Tau Pitaro.
Pitaro or Te Pitara, because many are there.
Hmm.
Therefore, Pitaraha.
Okay.
So the word Pitaro can be parent. Pitaraha can be parents many. Right?
Yes.
Please note that meaning also it is there. It has both meaning. Two fathers are there and parent meaning also it is there. So depending on the context, we have to use and understand now. Okay. Next one, continue.
So the
Lava-
whole sentence would be Te Pitrah Anti
Santi.
Santi. Okay, sorry.
Yes. Even if
Lava-
Kriya Padam not there, it is understood. Okay. Yeah, please continue.
Lava and Kusha are sons. Lava Kusha Putrau Staha.
What is Lava Kusha? It is hanging without any vibhakti. It's not a padam.
Lavaha Kushaha Putrau Staha.
If you say like that, Lavaha Kushaha Putrostaha. Lavaha Putrostaha is fine. Both are same vibhakti, same vachanam. Right? Both are same vachanam. But Lavaha is ekvachanam. Kushaha is ekvachanam.
And Love Kushau.
Lava Kushau. Make
Lava
it into
Kusha.
a Lava Kushau. Or you have to say like this. Lava Kushaha Cha Putro Staha, you can say. Lavaha Kushaha Cha. You have to say Cha. Lava and Kusha. Lavaha Kushaha Putro Staha. I mean Cha Putro Staha. Or simply you can say Lavakushau Putrastaha. You can join these two. Like Rama Lakshmanau Putrau Staha. Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugnaha Putraha Santi. All the four. You can join all the four names and you see the end letter ending with Akara, then you decline like Rama Shabda. Lava is ending with Akara. Kusha is ending with Akaranta. Therefore, Lava Kusha, if you do it, that is a sub-shabda. Pratipadikam is Lava Kusha like Rama Shabda. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Lava Kushaha, Lava Kushau, it becomes.
Yes.
So Lava Kushau is Dvivachanam. So Lava Kushau, Putrau. Can say like that. Or you can say like this also. Lavaha, Kushaha, Cha, Putrau. Your choice. Okay.
That's correct.
Continue.
Yama is death. Yamaha mrutyuhu asti.
Yes. Yamaha Mrityuhu Asti. Next person. Who is the next person? Akanksha ji.
Guruji, I just
Oh,
said.
you did right. Okay. Sorry. Subbalakshmi ji.
Nichiketa is the student. Nichiketa Chatraha.
Nachiketa. Why Nachiketa? What Shabda is that? Chatraha is correct. What is the Pratipadikam?
It's a name. Nichiketa
Yeah,
is
name.
a
So
name.
Rama is also name, but you don't say Rama. Ramaha we say.
Nichiketaha Chatraha.
So Pratipadikam is
Nichiketa. Nichiketaha.
Nachiketaha is not the Pratipadikam. What is the Pratipadikam? Pratipadikam is Nachiketa, right?
Yes.
Akaranta Shabda, but it is not Akaranta. Okay, this Shabda is not like what you think. I'm just telling all of you. Okay. Pratipadiyam is Nachiketas. It's a different, totally different Shabda. We have not seen it all. So don't worry about this. Nachiketas. Sakarantaha. Pullingaha. Nachiketas Shabda. This Shabda, a long way to go. We will not see now. So, but the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Nachiketa. Nachiketa Dirga. It is something like, it looks like Akaranta, but it is not Akaranta. It is a different word, totally different word. Don't think it is a Srilinga. Don't think it is like a Rama Shabda. No. Nachiketa is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam only. It is Pullinga form only. Nachiketa Chatraha. You can note all these words. So Pratipadikam is Nachiketas. Nachiketa, Nachiketaso, Nachiketaha. Nachiketaha is Bhagavachanam. Understand? All of you.
Yes.
You have to please note this. Lakshmi ji, I said, an exception. Similarly, this is also. You have to note all this. Nachiketa, all these are exception. Not exception, which is a totally different Shabda. Okay. Continue.
Varanasi is the city. Varanasi Nagaraha.
Nagaraha, this Nagara is not there. No, this Nagaram only is the Napumsakalinga. Nagaram, Varanasi, Nagaram Asti. Okay.
This is India. Eshaka Bharat.
Eshaha,
Bharatam. Bharata Deshaka.
Bharata, Eshaha, Bharata Desha. That is correct. Bharat you cannot say. Bharatam, if you say, then it becomes Bharatam. Etat Bharatam, it becomes. Eshaha, Bharata Deshaha.
Deshaka. They are Indians. Ete Bharatavasi.
Bharatavasi is ekavachanam, and you are saying ete. Your sentences are not matching in vachanam. Not matching vachanam, not matching gender. Bharatavasi, if you say it is Strilinga. You can use some other words. They are Indians. Bharatiya means India. Pullinga. Bharatiyaha. Amerikiyaha, Americans. So Bharatiyaha, Indians. What is the word for day?
Ete.
Either yete or te. You can say te because they are there. They are there, therefore te Bharatiyaha santi. Okay, I have written te, ete, anyway, it's okay. Next one.
Arnold is an actor. Arnold. Nataha.
Nataha asti, yes.
Nataha.
And he is an American. How do you say? Okay, the next person will do it. Umaji.
Yes, sir. He is an American. Saha America Deshiyaha Asti.
America Deshi Yaha is correct. Or America, as you said, Vasi. Or America Deshi Yaha. Yes.
Deshiyaha Asti.
Asti.
Those
Guruji, can we say Saha American Nagarikaha?
Yes, you can say American Nagarikaha. Or America Pauraha also you can say citizen.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
American Nagarikaha you can say. That's correct. Yes. Yes, please continue.
those two are bombs. Tau Visfoto.
Staha.
Staha. Sorry. Staha.
Vispoto or Praspoto.
Prasfoto. Staha.
You can use
Is-
Vispoto, that what you said is correct only.
Okay. This is school.
Hmm.
Yeshaha Vidyalayah Asti.
Eshaha Vidyalayaha Asti. Or
Vidyalayah Asti.
if
They
you use
are
Patashala, Esha Patashala also you can say.
Patasala Asti.
Hmm.
They are students. Yete Chatraha Asti.
Again?
They are students. Yete Chatraha Asti. Santi.
Santi.
Santi. Okay. These are teachers. Yete Adhyapikaha Santi.
Again?
These are teachers.
Read. Tell me the Sanskrit Vakya.
Yete Adhyapikaha Santi.
That's wrong. You find out the mistake.
Sorry, they
That's okay. Ete or te, whatever you use, that's fine. But here, this is there, therefore you have to use the ete only. Okay, that you said correctly. Then?
there is a female teacher. Okay, yete acharyaha santi.
You can use adya, that word itself, but it's not adhyapika, it is adhyapakaha santi.
Oh, sorry.
They are using
Adhyapakaha.
Srilinga word adhyapika, but the pronoun is pullinga. That's a mistake.
Okay.
If you say etaha adhyapikaha santi, that is correct. Everything is female. Or if you say ete adhyapakaha santi, that is also correct. Right?
Okay.
Next person. Who's the next person?
Me.
Yes.
He is the police. Saha Arakshakaha Arakshaha Asti.
Arakshaha na.
Nava.
No, I'm saying it's not correct. Not na. It's not correct. Arakshaka, that is a word. Arakshaka. You have to say Arakshakaha Asti. Okay, continue.
Abdul Kalam is a scientist. Abdul Kalam Vinyanihi.
Vigyan. What Tamil Vigyani?
Vinya. You என்ன சொல்றது scientist
Scientist, you have to find out. That is your homework.
அந்த பேப்பரை காணுது.
Very good. Without paper, you are doing. Keep all the documents in one place.
I kept it somewhere.
Vaigyanikaha. That's a word for scientist. Vaigyanikaha.
Vaigyanikaha.
You please have all the books, whatever the material I have sent, printouts, everything, keep with you. Really refer. What we refer, we don't know what. So you keep all this.
Yes.
Vaigyanikaha.
Vaigyanikaha.
Abdul Kalamaha is also not Abdul Kalam. You have to say it in
Abdul Kalamaha Vaigyanikaha.
Vaigyanikaha. You can say Abdul Kalam also because it is a name, but Abdul Kalamaha is better. The next one.
Trump and Modi are friends. Trump, Modi, cha,
very good.
Mitram.
You tell me, okay, complete. Then only I can correct it.
Trump, Modi, cha, Mitram, asti, staha.
Staha is there. Mitram is what vibhakti? What vachanam?
Sorry, mitre staha.
Mitre staha. Mitra is what linga?
Napumsakalingam.
Yes, Mitram, Mitre. So Trump, Modi, cha, Mitre.
Modi, cha, Mitre staha.
Yes, continue.
Those are spectacles.
These are spectacles. You need spectacle to see those. You're missing E.
Oh my God. These are spectacles.
He has become more means in Sanskritam, it is different.
Yes.
Those means they are far away. These means which are near. Right?
Yes.
The word itself will change. Okay. The pronoun itself will change. What's the word for those? Those are spectacles.
Your spectacles.
Vocabulary important.
Chattan varamatinga mandapida. These are spectacles.
Chattan varana, the practice. Parichayaha. How much you are getting familiar with the words. Upanetra. Netra. First you have to see. First you have to remember the word for eye. Netra. Then Upanetra. Right?
Yes.
Now, say the what is the sentence?
These ime upanetre upanetra netram upanetram upanetre upanetrani.
Yes.
அப்போ வந்து இமே உபநேத்ராணி சந்தி.
What is ime?
இமே வரக்கூடாது. தானி.
Tani is those.
Those. அப்ப these இல்ல. அப்ப
it's not difficult. What is the word for this?
ஏதானி.
இல்ல ஏதானி இல்ல.
Etani upanetrani. Etani only. Why etani illa?
Etani. Etani சொல்லலையே.
Etani only is correct.
Etani upanetrani santi.
You said tani. Add a before that. Etani. Tani means those. Or you can say imani. Idam ime imani. Imani upanetrani. Your choice. Okay. Next one.
Those two are managers. You managers.
Very good. Prabandhaka.
Imau prabandhaka.
Not imau. After you should be familiar with the nouns now. What is the word for noun? Those are there. Those means is it near?
No, Ji.
Far.
Far.
Akataute. Remember Shabdas. Keep all,
सः तौ ते
keep all the
Hey.
shabdas with you. You can refer and tell. You don't have to recollect from your mind if you don't remember. But the document should be there by your side. Tau, Prabandakau,
तौ
Staha.
प्रबन्धकौ स्तः
Okay. Not Etau. It is
तौ
Tau. Okay, next person.
So what does idam mean?
Idam is this, that is
Yes.
Napumsakalinga. Idam is a Pratipadikam. We cannot say Napumsakalinga. Idam is a Pratipadikam for all the linga. If it is Pullinga, it will be, the declension would be Ayam, Imo, Ime. If it is Strilinga, it will be Iyam, Ime, Imaha. If it is Napumsakalinga, it would form, the declension would be Idam, Ime, Imani. Idam is a Pratipadikam, is a noun base from which the noun forms are derived for all the genders. Okay. Next person, Deepika ji.
Ji Guruji. This is a computer. Etat sanganakam
Yes, Sanganakam Asti.
asti. Yes. These are players.
These are players.
Ete kridakaha
Yes,
santi.
Santi.
Both are female students.
Hmm.
Te shishyaha staha.
Yes. It both are te shishyaha. Shishya, not shishyaha.
Chhatre, yeah. Shishye. Means,
Yeah, Chatriya Shishya, you can say it's okay.
yeah.
This students means Shishya you can use or Chatra you can use if it is Chatre because two Dvivachanam.
Right.
Okay, continue.
It is a clock. Sa ghati
Yes,
asti.
Asti. Yes.
These are bags. Ete syutaha
Hmm.
santi.
Ete Syutaha Santi. Yes.
They
Excellent.
are, oh, I think,
Anupamaji.
They are bangles. Taha kanganaha santi.
What is the word for bangle?
Kangana?
Yeah. Kankana.
Kankana.
Kankanam.
Kankanam.
Kankanam,
Oh, it is-
kankane, kankanani.
Okay.
Tani, it's Napumsakalinga.
Tani. Okay. Okay. Tani kankanani santi.
Hmm.
Both are cats. Tau vidalau staha.
Yes. Another
They-
word for cat.
Vidal.
Marjaro.
Marjala. 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 Okay. Okay. They are female teachers. Te adhyapikaah santi.
Te Adhyapikaha doesn't match in Vachanam.
Taha adhyapikaah santi.
Not many. Oh, okay, many are okay. Okay, yeah, they are Taha Adhyapikaha
Adhyapikaah santi.
Santi. Okay, next one.
She is a woman. Sa mahila asti.
Another word for woman.
Taruni.
Nari.
Nari.
Taruni is young
Stri.
woman.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nari
you can say
stri.
Taruni. Nari, Stri, etc. Okay.
That is a rock. Saha shilaha asti. Shila is
Shila is
it's a
Strilinga.
strilinga. Okay. Sa shila asti.
Yes. Akanksha ji.
Ji Guruji. She is a goat. Sa aja asti.
She goat. Aja is Strilinga. Aja is Pullinga. Ajaha, Ajo, Ajaha, Pullinga. Aja, Aje, Ajaha, Strilinga. Yes, continue.
That is a moon. Saha chandraha asti.
Any other word for moon?
Chandraha.
Shashanka.
Somana.
Shashaka. Shashaka.
Shashakaha is rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
Soma.
Shashi.
Shashi.
Or another one bird.
Soma is there, Guruji.
Soma is also moon. Another word.
Chandra.
Chandra already said. Shashi, Chandra, Soma, Induhu.
Indu.
Ukaranta Shabda like Guru Shabda. One more word, Nishapatihi, like Hari Shabda. Nishapatihi means, Nisha means darkness. He's a master of darkness, means remover of darkness. That is the moon. So many words are there for moon. Okay, continue.
These are magazines. Imaha patrikaha santi.
Yes, Imaha, very good. You have to use sometimes Imaha and all. Nobody uses. Imaha, Srilinga. Okay.
Both are drivers. Tau chalakau staha.
Yes.
They
Continue.
are kings. Te nripaha santi.
Good. Nripaha is one word. Any other word?
Raja is
Raja is a little difficult for you because the Pratipadikam is Rajan Nakaranta Shabda, which you don't know. The declension also you don't know. Raja, Rajano, Rajana. Rajanaha is Bhagavachana. Raja is Ekavachanam, that is fine. But Rajanaha Bhagavachanam. Any other word? Bhupati.
Bhupati.
Bhupati can use. Bhupati, Prithivipati, all it means kings. Okay. Next person. Subbalakshmi ji.
These are flowers.
Simple.
Etani pushpani.
Etani pushpani. Another word for flower? Kusumani. Kusumani. Okay.
These are windows. Etani vatayanani.
Vatayana. Yes. Good.
It
Next.
is water. Tat jalam.
Tat jalam.
It is a song. Tat geetam.
Good.
They are movies.
Simple
Etani
words.
chalachitrani.
Yes. Tani chalana chitrani.
Etani, can I use etani? Chalachitrani.
Etani you can use it. It depends. The Vakya you can use, nothing wrong in that. Etani you can use. Chalana chitrani.
These two are
Next person,
tailors.
Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. These are two tailors. Etau sauchikau staha.
Yes.
He is a pandit.
Slowly, huh? You're reading from the I think your homework quickly. Read slowly.
Okay. He is a pandit. Saha panditaha asti. He is a
Any
pandit.
other word for pandit? Jnani. Pandita means also means Jnani. Okay.
Jnani. Vidusha.
Shochyananvashochastam pragyavadamsya bhashase. Gataso nagatasomsya nanushocanti panditaha.
Yes.
Panda asya asti iti panditaha. Panda means jnanam. The one who has jnanam is called pandit. Supposed to be a jnani, but not purohit. That's loosely we use pandit, the word for purohit, or maybe a pandit for the one who has done higher education or studies. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes.
We say, but he is not a jnani. Okay, he's abysmal ajnani. It's different.
Okay.
But, we use pandit.
Okay.
Next one
is he is a bandit.
Bandit.
He saha choraha asti.
Yes.
They are enemies. Ete ripuvaha santi.
Again.
They are enemies.
That's okay. Tell me the Sanskrit.
Okay. Te ripuvaha, sorry. रिपुवाः
No.
um,
What is the Pratipadikam?
रिपुः
What is the Pratipadikam?
रिपु
Decline that.
रिपुः रिपु रिपुवः
Ripuvaha. How do you decline Guru? Guruvaha. You decline Guru Shabda.
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
Then Ripu must be
रिपु रिपुवः
Ripavaha.
रिपुवः
Ripuhu, Ripu, Ripavaha.
yes
Ripu is the Pratipadikam. Ukarantaha, Pullingaha, Ripu Shabdaha. Another word for enemy.
Ari.
Ari you can say. Good. Ari is
Shatru.
also. Not Hari. Okay.
Ari.
Please others note the pronunciation is important. If the vowel is there, Ari means enemy. If it is a consonant, ha sibilant, Hari is Lord Vishnu. That's why pronunciation is important. Otherwise, Hari will become Ari or Ari will become Hari. It's a problem.
Shatru.
Shatru, good. Ukaranta, Shatru also you can say. Shatravaha, Shatruhu, Shatru, Shatravaha. Arihi, Ari, Arayaha. That is also you can say. Many words are there. Okay, coming back. So not Ripuvaha, it is Ripavaha. Now what is sentence?
okay
Say again. Sanskrit Vakyam. Samskrita Vakyam. We don't use the word Sanskrit, okay? I mean Samskrita only. Just somehow. Okay. Yeah.
एते रिपवः सन्ति
Ete Ripavaha Santi. Yes.
Arjuna is a warrior.
Warrior.
Arjunah योधः अस्ति.
Yes. Arjunaha Yodaha. Next person. Inge Priyaji.
Yes, Ji.
Simple sentences for you. Okay. Read. You don't need to have any materiality. You can, yeah, do it. Yes.
Krishnaha
Hmm.
Sarati Asti.
Krishnaha Asti is correct. What is that word in between?
Chariot.
Tell me that in Sanskritam.
Sarati.
Sarati is a Pratipadikam.
Saratihi.
Don't forget to use the Vibhakti. Don't tell the Pratipadikam. That will not make sentence correct. Okay.
Yes, Ji.
You should not say Sarati.
Sarati.
He started with Guru. Guru, you said it's not Guru. Guru who you have to say. Similarly, same mistake here. Without Vibhakti, how can you use a word? It's a raw word, cannot be used, right?
Yes, Ji. Yes, Ji.
You have to decline it. That is why Shabdas are there. You have to say Saratihi. Similarly, when I ask Pratipadika, many people say Guru who Saratihi. Pratipadika means without Vibhakti. Guru only you have to say. Ukaranta. It cannot end with Visarga. If it ends with Visarga, then it is a declension. How can the Pratipadika end with the declension? Right? Pay attention to that. Now, what is this translation?
Krishnaha Saratihi Asti.
Yes.
Krishnaha Dutaha Asti.
Yes.
It is a form. Tat.
What is the word for a form?
Tell.
Rupa.
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 Tat Rupam.
Tad Rupam. Om is a sound. Tad Rupam Asti. Om is a sound. Om Shabda. Shabda Solvamaji. Sound.
Soldaman Kekuda. Okay, you have to tell.
Om Shabda. Om Shabdam.
Shabdam. Akarantaha Pullingaha. What we say?
Om Shabdaha Asti.
What we say? Akarantaha Pullingaha. Rama.
Rama Shabdaha.
Shabdaha Om. Here Om is there. Omkar. You should not say Om. Omkaraha. or
ओंकारः
pranavaha
प्रणवः
shabdah asti or dhvanihi asti. It's a sound.
ध्वनिः
Or vani,
ध्वनिः
not vani, vani.
वाणी अस्ति
Okay, onkaraha shabdaha asti. Shabda is a pullinga word. Sollaman ke I have to tell correctly. Shabda is a pullinga word. Shabda meaning word or sound. Both meanings are there. That's why Rama Shabdaha, there is a word. Here it is a sound. So Shabdaha. Or Dvani also you can use, or Vani. And Om also you should not say Om. Omkaraha. Or another word for Om.
प्रणवः
Choice. Pranavaha you can use. You have to think. Pranavaha. Okay, continue.
they are balls take
Te
दुःखं कन्दुके कन्दुकाः
Kandukaha Santi.
सन्ति
Te
these-
Kandukaha.
ते कन्दुकाः these are two teeth
Next person.
oh
Deepika ji.
जी गुरुजी. These are two teeth.
Oh, I think then 6:50. I'd better stop here. Okay, please complete. Huh? The class, if the class gets automatically disconnected, don't worry. We will see it next class. Okay. Another class will. Yeah.
एतौ दन्तौ स्तः.
Yes.
It is an umbrella. Tat chhatram
Very good. Yes.
asti.
Yes. It is Tat Chatram. Yeah. Or Eta Chatram is your choice. Okay. Next one.
These two are chappals. Imau padarakshakau stah.
Yes.
This is a key.
Adaraksha. What is Pratipadikam?
Padarakshaka.
You said Imo. I am Imo. I am Shabda. Idam Shabda is used. That's correct. Etau Padarakshakau. Padarakshaka is a Pratipadikam. Akarantaha Pullingaha. Okay.
Pulling. Yes. This is a key. Esha kuchika
Yes.
asti.
Yes. Correct. Next one.
It is a seat. Tat asadanam asti.
Asanam.
Asanam.
Okay.
But
Next
I
one.
have a question.
Yes, quickly.
Yeah. So I don't know how to write this kuchika. How do I write these words?
It is a conjunct consonant. You please refer to the previous weight class video, which I sent. No.
Okay. And
Yes,
one more thing is, where do I get these nouns from? The Sanskrit names. Chappal, key, seat. Where do I get this list of nouns
All
from?
these are there in the video or the document, which
Okay. All right.
yes, the document
Yeah.
it is there.
It is there. Oh, thank you.
Yes. Next person, Anupama ji.
Rama is a masculine
One
word.
of you can send the document to the again to the group. Please send the PDF file. She can use it. Yeah, please continue.
Thank you.
Rama is a masculine word. Ramaha shabda pullingaha asti.
Rama Shabdaha Pullingaha
Okay.
Asti. Okay. Ramaha
Rama
Pullingaha Shabda. This is very simple. Ramaha Pullingaha
pullingaha
Shabdaha.
shabdaha.
Yes, continue.
Rama is a feminine word. Ramaha strilingaha
Not
shabdaha. Rama strilingaha shabdaha.
Yes.
Knowledge is wealth. Jnanam dhanam asti.
Dhanam asti. Vidyadhanam. Otherwise, okay. Vidyadhanam asti. Okay, continue.
Health is wealth. Health is arogyam.
Arogyam.
Arogyam dhanam asti.
Yes.
They are mountains. Parvatam.
Parvata Pullinga.
Parvataha. Te parvataha santi.
Very good. It's okay. Or Giri. Many words are there. Parvata, Giri. You can use. Okay. With this, we have done the translation. We'll continue. We'll continue the next class. Okay. Because the meeting will automatically end. So we have to stop here.
Yes, somebody will send the same PDF, right, Guruji, in the group, because I don't have the.
If I request anybody, if you have, please send. Otherwise, I'll do it later.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay.
Thank you.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवादः
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Guruji.